We are excited to present this home, which sits on a charming block in the Heights West Historic District. From the front steps, you can easily walk to local restaurants, bars, fitness clubs, shopping, and schools. This stunning home is nearly 3,500 square feet and features 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, solid hardwood floors throughout, a large stacked stone, dual-sided fireplace, and a host of custom finishes. This home is a contributing structure to the Heights, meaning the original footprint stayed the same, but the entire home was rebuilt in 2017 and tripled in size. We are in the heart of the historic Houston Heights. Welcome to 1409 Ashland Drive. Come on inside. Let's take a tour of this beautiful home. As you walk into the front door, you are welcomed by the charming detail of the original bungalow. The entryway opens into a formal living room, including an entrance with French doors leading to a study, or it could be used as a bedroom. The stunning dining room has a built-in wine fridge with a marble buffet and opens to the kitchen. The high-end chef's kitchen is truly the heart of the home and touts an oversized porcelain island, marble counters, custom cabinets, Jenn-Air appliances including a 48-inch 6-burner range and refrigerator, and counter space with barstool seating. The enormous media and family area have easy access to the 3 south-facing French doors leading to the spacious side yard and covered patio. Tucked away from the family room is a built-in workspace near the garage entry and features a hidden storage beneath the stairs. The large master suite has plenty of natural light and features hardwood floors, a pop-up ceiling, and an oversized closet. The master bath features a vessel tub, double entry shower and dual shower heads, and gorgeous marble finishes. Along with great curb appeal, this home includes a 2-car garage with alley entry, 2 additional parking spots in the front of the home, and a side yard big enough for a pool. One of the most coveted and desirable locations in the Houston metro area, 1409 Ashland Drive is a true gem located in the Heights, an excellent neighborhood with community spirit and an urban style living.